That's the result of gingerbread. So hype and energetic. So good luck. Welcome back to our channel, and on today's vlog we'll be sharing with you some of the places that we've been to here in Tagaytay. So yes, we're currently staying here at Escala. Yesterday we visited the gingerbread house, so that's what we're going to share with you sa first part ng vlog na to, so that you'll have an idea on what to expect doon sa gingerbread house. And yes, pwede po ang bata, and it's just a small place. Siguro around mga kulang-kulang 2 hours lang kami nakapag-stay doon. That already includes yung aming late lunch. Hope you'll have an idea once you see that clip. And later on, we'll be sharing with you other places that you can visit here in Tagaytay na pwede ang bata. But for now, we're gonna go muna sa pool nila habang hindi pa ganun kalamig yung pool and yung air. Enjoy! Super excited na siya mag-swim. Where are you going, baby love? Yan, thank you si daddy niya. You wanna swim na? Yeah? Baby! So kami na talaga because it's already 12 o'clock. So everybody's taking their lunch or nagnanap na. So swim muna kami.
Hi everyone!
Hi Lola! What's the name of Lola?
Yes.
Oh, how about Tinang?
Yana.
How about Lola Chi? Say hi Lola Chi! How about Lola Boy? How about...
Yesterday. Had our super late lunch here sa kanilang restaurant. Well, it's okay. It's okay. Pero kung okay lang din sa inyo na kumain before going here, better. Okay? And yeah, right now we're going to explore pa the rest of the property. So ito, meron silang fish spa there. Then meron din ditong glass swing there. What's that? What's that?
Gingerbread.
Gingerbread. Okay, you show mommy? Oh, okay. Oh, show mommy what you're eating. Oh, wow, gingerbread. So, we are here sa Khalakuti Cafe and ginabi na kami. Tip, mas okay pumunta dito kapag may liwanag pa kasi they do have this huge open space sa likod. Tapos may mga Instagrammable silang mga decorations na nilagay doon. Decorations ba tawag doon? Pero meron silang parang Volkswagen na you can take a picture. Van, I didn't see it pero parang meron nga. Tapos meron silang pool. Meron din silang, what's this? This is a bridge. Bridge ba tawag doon? Basta yan, arco na bridge. So, if you're somebody who wants to take pictures, we'll try to see if we can still take pictures and some clips ng mga nasa likod na makikita. But definitely, its tip is for you to go here kapag may araw pa para mas ma-appreciate nyo siya. They do serve, of course, coffee kasi cafe siya, no? Then, they also have food na. I was talking to the owner kanina, si Lynette, and sabi niya, ang specialty daw nila is yung ribeye steak as well as the prawn pasta. So, light meal lang kami ngayon kasi magdi-dinner pa kami mamaya. So, we just ordered prawn pasta, the Khalakuti fries, and of course, we do have drinks as well. And just a tip as well, they just have cash for now. Kasi mahina rin yung signal. So they don't have credit cards yet. Pero kami nakapag-Gcash kami. Nakakuha kami ng signal and nagbigay si Lynette ng Gcash number. What else? So regarding the food, we are still going to check kung kamusta yung food. But I think if you're here in Tagaytay, it would be good if you're going to have one of your meals here sa Khalakuti Cafe. And there's a big open space talaga doon for the kids then to play around or to run around. So there, we're gonna be giving you an update later.
Hold the cat. How about the cat? How about the cat?
Okay, so we have the food na. And as mentioned, ano lang kami, light meal lang kami. Light meal pero pasta and fries. Pero not a lot. So yun, we're gonna have a taste of the pasta, but I think it's good kasi si Cadence, ayan, she's eating pasta na. Do you like it, love?
You like it?
Yes. Fork. Okay, so you like the fork then? Okay, we put that one. So yan, we're gonna eat muna, then we're gonna give you an update later. But again, tip, go here kapag daytime para mas ma-appreciate niyo yung place.
One eternity later. Meanwhile,
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and
We're here here at Yoki's farm with the friends. Medyo marami yung mga sasakyan. Pero tingnan natin kung maraming tao talaga. See? How will she enjoy? Yay! Yoki's farm! Jade to. Figurine.
Kakawan, kakatu.
Tsaka 3.
They didn't finish this. Over here, okay,
I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when
Where wa?
Die rule.
Ay, hindi ba siya mangagat? OMG.
Yung ayan po is crossbreed po ng Husky at ng Alaskan Malamute po. Ito po yung pure breed ng Alaskan Malamute.
Hi! Hi! Wow naman! What's the sound of a dog? Arf, arf. Yes, that's a dog. Wala siyang pakialam sa'yo, baby.
you will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray.
Let's go! They're also selling plants here, ayan. Ranging from 150 to 700 daw. Let's see if it will be buying some. Ayan, 150 lang daw yan. Mas meron pa daw 100 doon. Let's check.
And our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, look back at this summer night.
Yeah.
You wanna touch? Sige, touch. Touch the tortoise.
Only the shell.
Not on the head.
Yes.
Don't touch the head, okay?
Hi, Lucy.
Her name is Lucy. It's written on the shell. Can you say Lucy? Teka lang.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we
So they also sell
Boys. Boys.
no, but they don't sell
So we got one boy. Meaning Piolo. We got the Facebook account na. We'll check na lang later. So far, so good.
and they're enjoying the
Yeah, this is my first time to enjoy the zoo.
zoo experience.
Yeah, best zoo experience
Ever.
ever.
So yan, yung nagbebenta sila ng mga vegetables. Lettuce, bok choy, kangkong, assorted. Tapos mura nga siya.
I don't know. Hindi ko alam yung peso niya. So I can't tell if it's mura, but I think it's mura.
Pasensyahan nyo na. Hindi sanay mamalengke. So ayan.
Hindi ako domesticated.
Ayan o, yan yung mga prices. So mura siya. And okay naman yung experience.
Ang
Yeah.
ganda-ganda dito. First time ko ma-enjoy ang mag-zoo. Kasama si Kaden. Wala nang iba. Yung mga aso.
At see,
Yung mga tour guide.
say bye.
I want to remember.
So we are here at Monstera Cafe. Ginabi na kami. From Yoki's 8:30. They're open until 10 o'clock. Last order is 9:30. And open space again. And maraming lights in fairness. Pero libleb pagpunta dito. So,
Parang
ayan.
ano eh, worth it kasi parang kung naghantay ka na tagahanap ka ng jowa mo na napakasukol. Mahanap ko rin siya. Ang sarap.
Wishing I'd be all alone. I got these demons by my side, flying on the chemicals. Guess I'm not the lucky type.
So this is their food. Video pa naman. Fries and what's this?
Chicken Alfredo.
Chicken Alfredo. In-order ko yun.
Ario.
Then aglio olio na mukhang nabawasan na dahil tinidor. Then crispy liempo.
Dito ka po pwes.
Then what's this?
Tapa ng taal.
Tapa na tayo. Then of course the lemonades and everything. That's their food.
Sige, picture.
So, we are about to go home and dyan nagtatapos ang aming Tagaytay adventure. Little friends.
Comment, like, and subscribe. Notification bell.
Salamat naman sa pagsabi, Mayo. Hope you find this vlog useful sa mga places that you can go here na pwede ang bata.
At
And yeah,
pwede ang
Feeling bata.
feeling bata.
pwede ang forever bata.
Bye!
Lucky type.